today I got a treat especial for you guys. No, I'm not copying that guy because I don't have the knowledge that he does. But I got a new tool. I am not tearing it apart like he does, but let's have a look at it. It's an awesome tool because I tried this tool for the first time last year when I was fixing Kompis' snowmobile sled, and this tool is just awesome. So let's have a look at it. So in this box we have, let's see, oh yeah, there it is. And it's actually a Milwaukee, not a Ryobi tool. That's pretty impressive to be me. Okay, let's have a look. If you've seen the description in the video, you probably know already what it is. And we can see here that it's the M12 BRPT 200X something something something. Yeah. Oops. So this is Milwaukee's there it is. So this is Milwaukee's rivet tool. So this is an electric rivet tool, and if you have seen, let's see here, yeah, if you have seen these ones, you know what a pain in the ass these ones are. Let's just say it like this. Okay, so I tried this tool for the first time last year fixing Kompis' sled and for the snowmobile, and it is just amazing how easy it is to use this. And it's a bit pricey, so I never gone ahead and bought it because I was thinking, I don't use the rivets that much that this was something I needed. But then this year on Black Friday, this one came on a sale for $220 or something, I think. And the thing that made me buy this one is check out this video clip here.
Helvete, satans forbanna mannskit.
And you can see that I am having some trouble using this one in the tight space in the Massey Ferguson, mounting the heater, and I'm not happy about it. And this was just a couple of days before Black Friday, and then Black Friday came with this one on sale, so then it was just like, alright, fuck it, I'm buying it. So yeah, I bought it, and it came with battery, charger, something, and the thingy to have on the back to collect all the pins from the rivets. So if you now are thinking, what is a rivet? If you've never seen one before, it's this. It's really awesome to use on metal, connecting plates together, connecting relays. Yeah, you just drill a hole, put this through, and use normally this one, pump it, and it pops. Actually, I could show you probably. So you put this one through a hole and you just push the button, and this happens. So it gets bigger in the back, so it's locking in place. So this was a long one that you would use if you have some thick sheet metal or thick wall you want to connect something in, then you would use this. For a short one you would use something like this. Oh, that's so awesome. And then you can see this is the front you will see on the sheet metal, and this is the back part. So I so perfect good. And this one is metal or steel. This one was aluminium, and this one is steel. But no problem. There it is, and as you can see, it will lock perfectly in place. So with this tool, all my rivets problems are gone. You can you see, you can get in really tight spaces. That is probably some places that you can see it's a bit different here, but yeah, I think most of the places this will work perfectly. I have used this on everything, I think. Trailer especially, it's really perfect for connecting stuff, because trailers are normally sheet metal, and it's really easy to use this and to put the relays. You will see in a video soon on the wall mat, you will see I'm using this one for connecting some relays in it, and it's a great tool. I think I have one other kind of this. Let's see. So I do also have this tool. This is actually really great because you get a lot of power with it, but it is pretty long, so you need good space to use this one, so it's not all the places you can use it. I will put this one on charge, and I will get some plates ready, and then we can test it out a little bit and look a little bit how it works differently from these ones. So let's take a look. I've then drilled some holes in this metal. You can see it's two sheets, a thin one and a little bit thicker one, and it's now ready for testing these rivets. And my plan then is to test these 3 rivet guns with 3 different types of rivets. So these 3 are aluminium, these 3 are steel, and these 3 are stainless steel. So these are really hard, these are somewhat hard, and these are okay to install. So I think this one will have some problems with the ones of steel, but we will start with the one of aluminium and test and see how that goes. So we are testing with this one, and of course this new one. Okay, so we are starting with the one of aluminium. Shouldn't be any big problems. Pretty okay installed with this rivet gun also. Okay, then we are testing this one. Shouldn't be any problems. No problems. Wasn't even hard. Almost too easy. Okay, we can see the one of aluminium is now installed, and they have retracted back here and got bigger, so the plate is now secured to the other plate. Okay, then we test someone of steel. Okay, it went okay. It was pretty hard with this one, but it did work. No problem with this one. It's amazing how nice this tool is. Steel ones are installed really nicely. You can see they are sticking a little bit more out in the back than the one of aluminium. A little bit longer end on these ones. So, all right, let's test the ones with stainless. Oh, this is hard. Not a chance. It's too hard. I think maybe if I had something to push against, really good, but Also, the one thing is, when you are pulling like this on it, and then it suddenly breaks, that hurts a little bit. So stainless, no go with this one. Okay, then we are trying this one again, stainless. You can feel it's a resistance, but it's no problem because I can put the whole body behind it, so it's okay. All right, let's see the Milwaukee then. Yep, Milwaukee, no problem. Easy peasy. So, then we have tested the 3 different kinds. And these plates are now riveted together. Incoming loose from there. So, that worked pretty good. So, that was really nice. Yeah, this one I knew was working really good since I had tested it before on last year. So, yeah. Really like it. Hope I will use rivets a lot more now. It's a lot easier. So then we have tested the 3 different types I had of rivet guns, and no doubt about the Milwaukee one is of course the best one. Electric is the way to go. So I really like that one, and I'm really happy I finally bought it. Now I will probably rivet everything together. So you will probably see it a lot in my next videos, repairing something. No more screws, just rivets. Okay, thank you for watching.